Welcome to Quest for Knowledge.
Hello friends, this is the Karnataka State Eligibility Test paper of 27th September 2020. Just for the revision purpose, those who are going to appear for the set exam, for their revision, I am going to share this video with you. So the first question is, which of the following is not one of the content of organizing? A. The development of leadership. B. The identification, classification of required activities. C. The grouping of activity necessary to attain objective. D. The assignment of each group to a manager with the authority necessary to supervise it. So you can understand all these three comes under the content of organizing. The thing which does not suit for the organizing is the development of leadership. This does not come under the content of organization. So the answer is A. Second one of the following is not an advantage of matrix organization grouping. A. Oriented towards end result. B. Professional identification is maintained. C. Pinpoint product profit responsibility. D. Places responsibility at a lower level. So this does not comes under the matrix organization grouping. So this is not the advantage to place responsibility at a lower level. So the answer is D. Third one, the clearer the line of authority from the ultimate management position in an enterprise to every subordinate position, the clearer will be the responsibility for decision making and the more effective the organization communication is expected by. So here the answer is A, scalar principle. Scalar principle is the answer. Don't get confused with the unity of demand. So here the answer is scalar principle. Let's move on with the assertion and reasoning. So low initial price is regarded as the principal means for entering into mass market for some new product. Because firms generally enter into production of new product with excess capacity of the plant initially. So here the answer is D. A is correct but R is wrong. A is wrong but R is correct. A and R both are correct, but R is right explanation of A. But here the answer is A and R both are correct, but R is not the right explanation of A. Even this is correct, but it doesn't suit. So that is why it is not the right explanation of A. Deontological theory of ethics is concerned with which of the following? Duty ethics, obligation ethic, rules based ethic, classical ethics. So the answer is D. It means duty ethics, obligation ethics and rule ethic. So the answer is D. So here assertion again, ridge line in isocont map set the limit for the positive productivity of the respective input and used in the production process. Reason, isocont will slope positively if the use of an input is increased beyond the limit set by the ridged lines. So the answer is A, that both A and R are correct, but R is the correct explanation of A. So have you seen, this is the ridged line, indifference curve, and this is the ridged line. So the more input will be increasing, the ridged line will be moving positively. So that is the answer, that both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. So match the following: GDP, GDP at factor cost, NNP at factor cost, NNP. So this is from the income, national income. Here the seventh answer is B. It means A is 3, that is GDP, money value of goods and service produced, gross domestic product. So the money value of those product is GDP. B is 4, total gross value added by the enterprise in the economy. So GDP at factor cost is total gross value added by all enterprise in the economy, and NNP at factor cost is national income, and NNP is NDP plus net flow of income from abroad. So this is the answer. Which among the following are also called corporate social responsibility? So here B is the right answer. So we call it corporate conscience, corporate citizenship, responsive business. So the 3 is also comes under the corporate social responsibility. 9th one, match the following: ethical model, statist model, liberal model and stakeholder model. So 9th one we have the answer, that is A. It means ethical model is voluntary commitment by companies to public welfare, and statist model is state ownership and legal requirement determine corporate responsibilities, and liberal model is corporate responsibility limited to private owners, and stakeholder model is company respond to the need of customers community. The barrier resulting in the symbolic obstacles that distort the sent message in some other way than intended is called semantic. 10th one is semantic barrier. So when we have a problem, लिखा कुछ है, समझना कुछ है, so that is semantic barrier. So assertion: modeled behavior is not a powerful learning tool for employees. Reason: individuals learn vicariously by observing others' behavior and pattern their own behavior similarly. So here the answer is D. A is false and R is true. So A is telling it that model behavior is not powerful learning, and R is telling that individual learn by seeing, observing others. So here A is wrong and R is true. Which is the following is not trait of type A personality? Strive to think or to do or more things at once, can relax without guilt, or obsess with measuring their success in terms of how many or how much of everything they acquire. D, are always moving, walking and eating rapidly. So the answer is can relax without guilt. So type A personality is very hardworking, very passionate, very innovative kind of a person. So here you can see A, C, D is all type A personality, and this is type B personality, who can relax without guilt, who does not have that much of passion to work. So that. Identify the correct recruitment process flow. Generate applicant tool, evaluate, job analysis, offer. So the answer is C. So the first is job analysis, after that generate applicant pool, and then evaluate, and then offer. The process of rewarding employees by giving them part ownership in the company, which is further enhance their performance, is called high flyer scheme, golden parachute scheme, employee stock option scheme, retention planning scheme. So the answer is C, employee stock option scheme. Cognitive dissonance theory is a value theory, learning theory, consistency theory, critical theory. So answer is C, consistency theory. Cognitive dissonance theory is a consistency theory. Whenever Parler fed his dog with meat, he rang a bell. The dog salivated to the ringing of the bell. The ringing of the bell is a unconditioned response, an unconditioned stimulus, a conditioned response, a conditioned stimulus. So the answer is a conditioned stimulus. So the match the following. We have HR philosophy, HR practice, HR policy, and HR strategy. So the answer for this is C. So HR philosophy means overarching values and guiding principles adopted in managing people. That comes under HR philosophy. HR practice means informal approaches used in managing people. HR policy is guidelines defining how the values, principles and strategies should be applied and implemented in specific areas of human resource management. And HR strategy is defining the direction in which HRM intends to go. So let's move on to the 18th question. Again we have a matchup here. So ego state, parent, adult, child. So the answer for this is C. It means parent, thought concept, adult, parent is a thought concept, adult is a thought concept, and child is a felt concept. So that is the answer. Let's move on with the assertion and reasoning. Job design involves conscious effort to organize tasks, duties and responsibilities to a unit of work to achieve certain objective. Reasoning. Job allocation is the foundation of organizational productivity and employee satisfaction or lack thereof. So here 19th answer is A, that A and R true and R is the correct explanation of A. So 20th one, generalization about a group of people is social perception, contrasting, projection, stereotyping. So the answer is D, stereotyping. When we ourselves make a vision that they are like those kind of a people, so that is called as stereotyping. So 20th one, we have a passage. Rajat and Ramya work in the research and development department at Infosys. It is known that an important moderator of the satisfaction turnover relationship is the employee's level of performance. Specifically, level of satisfaction is less important in predicting turnover the performer, and the organization has considered him for pay rise and other form of motivation. His capabilities are assessed for promotion. Just the opposite applies to Ramya, who is a poor performer. No attempt is made by her to improvise. In fact, there were even instances of subtle pressure to encourage her to quit in the past. So this is the passage. The process of evaluating Rajat and Ramya current performance is called performance appraisal. In the event of Ramya resignation, the process of having a discussion with her is called exit interview. The method of assessing Rajat's capability for future project in his job is called potential appraisal. So when we talk about the future prospect, that comes under potential appraisal. A method which duplicates on-the-job situation away from actual work site with machinery and equipment similar to those used in the actual production or operation and used to help employees acquire a new skill is called vestibular training. So we make up a situation where they have to get training, like assembling of cars, like some mechanic works, etc., like nurses. They are being prepared in an same situation, but everything is like duplicate one. So that is called as vestibular training, like pilot and all. What is a method, but what is not a method used in combination for competency mapping? A, interview, induction, task analysis workshop, use of job description. So the answer is B, induction is not a method for competency mapping. What is the correct sequence of step in an organization development process? So here the answer is C. It means first we will diagnose the state of organization and then use intervention to correct problems and realize opportunities, and evaluation and introducing new interventions. Okay, so here we have a matchup. First is self-actualization, B recognition, C belongingness, security, survival. This is Maslow's hierarchy of need. So let's understand the engagement level of these. So the 27th answer is C. So here self-actualization is highly engaged, recognition is engaged, belongingness is almost engaged, security is not engaged, survival is disengaged. So this is the matchup answer. Match the following of OD interventions, organizational development intervention, and their techniques. So the first is structural invention, comprehensive OD intervention, team intervention, and intergroup intervention. So the 28th answer is B. It means structural means total quality management, comprehensive means confrontation meeting, team intervention means organizational mirroring, intergroup is team intervention is process consultation, and intergroup intervention is organizational mirroring. Let's move on. As per Indian labor, as per ILO classification, which one of the following labor welfare benefits are extramural? Extramural, intramural, we have to go through with the differences between them. So which one is the extramural here? 29th one answer is D. It means housing facility. 4th one, leave travel facility and vocational training are the extramural. So let's move on and understand 30th one. In international human resource management, geocentric organizations are staffed with A, home country managers, B, the best people where they can be utilized the best, C, host country manager, D, manager from nation within the region. So 30th answer is B. So geocentric organization, they hire the best people irrespective where they belong to, that is not necessary. So 31st one assertion is personal transaction of the owner of the business are not recorded in the book. Reason, according to the business entity concept, each business enterprise is considered as an accounting unit separate from owners. So 31st answer is A, that both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So let's move on and understand the 32nd. What would be the holding period if the turnover ratio is 4 times the stock? So this is from the production. The answer is B, 3 months. Break even is not affected with changes in the 33 sales price, variable, total number, and number of units sold. So this is break even is not affected with number of units sold. Again we have a match the following: working capital finance, net income approach, zero based budgeting, asset test ratio. 34th answer is B. You can see working capital is a letter of credit. Net income approach is capital structure, and zero based budgeting is making new estimates, and asset test ratio comes under the liquidity analysis. According to net in operating ratio, NOI approach with increase in debt equity ratio, the financial risk of the equity holder increases. A firm goal of wealth maximization does not take into consideration risk related to uncertainty of return, timing of expected return, earning per share in short run, and amount of returns expected. So the 36th answer is C, earning per share in short run. Match the following and suggest the correct code. So first, buyback of share, interest received on long-term investment, cash payment of suppliers, purchase and sale of goods. So the 37th answer is C. It means buyback of share is a financing activity. Interest received on long-term investment is a investing activity. Cash payment of supplier is a operating activity. Purchase and sale of goods is a business activity. Which one of the following are correct? Trade credit is spontaneous source of financing. There is no cost of trade credit. Factoring with recourse is of balance sheet financing. Factoring involves the outright sale of receivable at discount to factor for obtaining fund. In this, which is correct? So the answer is B, that is 1, 3 and 4 is correct. There is no cost of trade credit is a false one. A high operation ratio indicates favorable position for a company. Reason: a high operating ratio leaves a high margin to meet non-operating expenses. So the answer for the 39th one is B, that both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. From the following data, calculate break even expressed in terms of amount of sales. So we have to find out the break even point. Here we have the answer is C. 41. When the required rate of return is greater than the coupon rate bond will be valued at A, discount. Arrange the step in dividend payment procedure in sequence. So how to pay the dividend? So we have a sequence. C is the correct answer. So first we'll have a board approval. After that shareholder approval. After that record date. After that dividend payment and transfer to unpaid dividend account. After that, 43rd one, which of the following statements are correct? Book value is the total value of the valuable asset including fictitious asset less external liability. Discounted cash flow approach of valuation of business is superior to the PE ratio approach when the earnings are predictable. Unpaid dividend on preference share or reckoned liability of the firm is based valuation. For business valuation, adjustment are required for contingent liability that may fructify. So we have some of the codes. The answer is B. It means 2, 3, 4 is correct. Here we have a matchup again. Net present value greater than 0, IRR lesser than cutoff rate, equivalent annual cost, present value index. So we have the answer, 44th of answer is A, that NPV lesser greater to 0 is accept the proposal. IRR less than the cutoff rate, reject the proposal. Equivalent annual cost reduction investment proposal with unequal lines. Present value index, project selection under capital. Profitability from an investment in a country is adversely affected if the currency of that country is subject to depreciation. The answer is depreciation. Let's move on to the 46th answer question. A firm acquires another firm B from a market price per share MPS of rupees 20 and its EPS is rupees 5 for an exchange ratio 1.5:1. What was the PE ratio used in acquiring firm B? So the 46th answer is C. Which one of the following statements are correct? higher net working capital lead to higher liquidity and higher profitability. Trade-off plan in general is considered an appropriate financing strategy for working capital. Conservative approach warrant that long-term funds should be used to finance the permanent. There is positive correlation between level of business activity and working capital need of a firm. So, the 47th answer is C. It means second, and 4 is the correct one. Under what condition is the Walter model similar to hypothesis with regard to payment of dividend? So, the 48th of answer is C. R is equal to K. Approval for short term foreign currency loan with a maturity of less than 3 years are given by A. Department of Economic Affairs, Reserve Bank of India, Ministry of Finance, Foreign Minister. The answer is Reserve Bank of India. Which one of the following is not a source of working capital financing? Factoring, commercial paper, trade credit, bond. So, the answer is D, bonds. So, this is not the working capital financing. The rest is the working capital financing, but the bond is not. Okay. The act of designing a company offering an image to occupy a distinctive place in the minds of a target market is called branding, positioning, targeting, advising. So, the answer is B, positioning. What we designing an image to occupy distinct place in the mind of the target market is called positioning. Strategies for achieving growth through intensification are market skimming, market awareness and product development, market penetration, market development and product development, market penetration, market development and customer relationship marketing, market skimming, niche marketing and product development. So, here the answer for the 52nd is B, that is market penetration, development and product development. The process of marketing a product with title changes such as modified packaging and labeling is called C, product standardization. Which among the following are common pricing methods followed? So, cost plus pricing, going rate pricing, perceived value pricing, personalized pricing. So, the answer for this is C, that is 1, 2 and 3 are common pricing method followed. Which among the following are element of communication mix? 55th is answer is B, that is 1, 2 and 3. So, how the pricing could be coming under the communication mix? So, that is not the correct answer. So, that is why 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. So, 56, match the following we have, that is rapid skimming, slow skimming, rapid penetration and slow penetration. So, we have the answer for the 56th is D, that is rapid skimming consumer goods, slow skimming industrial good, rapid penetration is FMCG products and slow penetration is the local goods. Here again we have a match the following, Porter generic strategy, differentiation, cost leadership and focus. So, this we have the 57th answer is B, that is differentiation is the product leadership, cost leadership is the operation excellence and focus is the customer intimacy. 58th one, assertion and reasoning. Vertical integration is considered as generic strategy because the firm operation are expanded beyond primary basis. Vertical integration is the mixed empirical result to ascertain whether strategy help or hinder the performance. So, the 58th answer is A, that A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Arrange the following strategy implementation step in proper sequence. A, it is corporate strategy, SBU objective, SWOT analysis. After that, strategic alternative and choice, implementation, evaluation and control. Strategic planning involves the following step. Arrange them in proper sequence: division, business, corporate and product planning. So the 60th answer is B. So the first thing is corporate planning, after that division planning, after that business planning, and after that product planning. Integration of key business process from the end user through supplier that provides products, services and information that add value to customer is referred to as 61th one is C, supply chain management. USP stand for unique selling proposition. Which of the following three are form of retail ownership? So 63rd one answer is contract, 1, 2 and 3, independent, corporate and contractual system. Select the service quality gap which occur at the end of service provided. Customer gap, knowledge gap, delivery gap, communication gap. So the 64th answer is C, 2, 3 and 4. So these all are the gaps come under the end of service provider. Match the following: reliability, responsive, assurance, tangibles. So the answer for the 65th is B, that is reliability is dependability, responsiveness is willingness to help, assurance is knowledge, tangibles is physical facilities. Match the following again: transnational corporation, multinational enterprise and global corporation. So the 66th answer is B, that is transnational is across national border and multinational is operation in multinational countries, multinational enterprise is international trade, global is the business in the world. Let's move on with the assertion and reasoning. Dumping is an unfair trade practice in international trade. Reasoning: dumping provides price benefit to the exporter with an injuring effect. So the answer is B. A is correct and R is correct. So 68th assertion: CRM enables company to provide excellent real-time customer service through the effective use of individual information. Based on marketing survey, company customize market offering, services, programs and messages. So 68 answer is C. Both N, A and R are correct. Brand awareness involves the following step. Arrange them in proper sequence. So 69th answer is D. So first आता है non-recognition, brand recognition, brand preference, brand insistence and brand loyalty. 70th, arrange the stages of consumer buying behavior in proper sequence. So here the answer is B. So the first thing is coming, that is need recognition, after that search for information and then evaluate alternative and then purchase decision and post purchase evaluation. So the 71st question is, while preparing any question for questionnaire, any question tends to have more than one answer is called as double barreled question is the answer. 72nd one is the value of mean deviation about mean for the number is the answer is C. The Poisson distribution is the variance is equal to mean is the answer. The arrival is at the rate of 30 per hour, service capacity is the rate of 40 per hour in a single server mold. The idle time factor is A, 0.25. The 75th answer is the mean and variance of chi-square distribution is this one A. 76th one, the lifetime of 16 sample batons is found to be 85 hours with standard deviation of 4 hours. The company claims that the average mean life is 75 hours. While testing the hypothesis, the test statistic value is obtained as 10. D is the answer. The AM and GM of two observations are 5 and 4 respectively. The two numbers are, the 77th answer is C, 8 and 2. Match the following DMAIC methodology, CRAFT program, finite capacity schedule and ERP. So here the 78th answer is A, that is DMAIC methodology is the fourth one, Six Sigma process. CRAFT program is the assist in examining alternative departmental layout decision making, and finite capacity schedule is one, that is computerized short term scheduling with graphical interactive computing. ERP is the second one, integrated database oriented resource plan. Let's move on. Here we have a regression. Given the lines of regression are these questions respectively, the AM of X and Y are. The 79th question is B, 3 and 1. Suppose that 10% of the engine produced require a warranty replacement were produced, and if a lot of 100 engine were produced, the mean and standard deviation of the defect level are. Here we have the 80th question, answer is C, standard deviation 3, and this one is 10. Mean is 10 and standard deviation is 3. 81st one, the Global Financial Stability Report and World Economic Outlook are the two reports given by Indian Labour Organization, World Bank, Asian Development Bank or IMF. The 81st answer is IMF, International Monetary Fund. Which of the following barriers can be used against recession induced exporter into the country? So the 82nd answer is B, voluntary export restraint, quota, non-tariff, tariff. The answer is quotas. 83rd one, the portion of the required quota of currency that the each international monetary fund member country must provide to IMF that can be utilized for its own purposes without a service fee is called as A, reserve tranche position. 84th one, arrange the following according to processing of manufacturing of goods for export. So the answer is C, that is 2, 3, 1 and 4. It means goods manufacturing, after that central excise clearance, after that pre-shipment inspection and packaging, making and dispatching. The theory that advocate a country that is relatively labor abundant should specialize in production and export that product which is relatively labor intensive is the answer theory of factor proportion. Decision support system DSS support non-routine decision making for manager. Reasoning, DSS focus on problems that are unique and rapidly changing for which the procedure for arriving at a solution may not be fully predefined in advance. So the 86th answer is D, that A and R both are correct. The analysis that uses data mining technique, historical data assumption about future condition to know the outcome of event related to consumer behavior is called, 87th answer is B, predictive analysis. The knowledge management system KS KMS involves the following sequential activities of knowledge: acquisition, storage, dissemination, application, storage, acquisition, dissemination, application, application, acquisition, dissemination, storage, dissemination, acquisition, storage and application. So 88 answer is A. Acquisition, storage, dissemination and application. The specialized system that provides a group electronic environment in which manager and teams can collectively make decision and design solution for unstructured and semi-structured problem is 89th answer is B, GDSS. Which of the following is not true about data mining? So data mining, which is not true, this is not true. It is the process of finding anomalies and correlation within larger set of data to predict outcome. It involves high velocity, variety of wide data in large volumes. It enables market analysis and fraud detection. So these all are is true. It is the extraction of pattern and knowledge from large amount of data. This one is not true. Entrepreneurial process consists of the following step. Indicate the correct sequence. So here we have the C is the correct answer. So identification and evaluation of the opportunity, development of a business plan, determination of the required resources and then management of the resulting experience. An entrepreneur who is neither willing to introduce new changes nor willing to adopt new method is known as adoptive, Fabian, innovative or drone. So the 92nd answer is B, that is Fabian. So he is the person who is not at all willing to change or to adopt new methods. Which one of the following idea generation method focus on developing new idea when the individuals are unaware of the problem? So the answer is Gordon, checklist, creative or brainstorming. The answer is Gordon method. Activity of SISI, that is Small Industrial Service Institute, are 94th one answer is C. That is 1 and 2. Assistance consultancy to prospective entrepreneur, assistant consistency to existing units. So let's move on to the 95th question. The function of entrepreneur is to reform or revolutionize the pattern of production by exploring an invention or move, generally an untried technological possibility for producing a new commodity or produce old one in a new way. Reason: lack of innovation will usually reduce the lifespan of a product or service. So the 95th answer is B, that A and R both are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 96th one. In an industrial structure, the acquisition of an existing firm in the industry might be better more than starting up a new venture. Reason: there is an evidence that internal development might be preferable to acquisition because of differences between culture and shared value. So the answer for the 96th question is B, that both A and R are correct, but R is not the right explanation of A. We have a type of entrepreneur: Fabian, drone, imitating and innovative. So based on their attribute we have to answer. The answer is A. Fabian, skeptical about the changes to be made in the organization. Drone, reluctant to change. Imitating entrepreneur, found in places where there is lack of resources. Innovative entrepreneur are the industry leaders. Who named the following are associated with the concept of entrepreneurship? So we have Richard Cantillon, Lionel Robin, Adam Smith, Jean-Baptiste Say, Joseph Schumpeter. So the answer is C, that is 1, 3, 4 and 5. So we don't have the concept of Lionel Robbins for the entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship and dynamic capitalism, affluent society, theory of economic development, dynamic of industrial capitalism. So the answer for the 99th is D, that is B.A. Kirchhoff has given the entrepreneurship and dynamic capitalism. Kirchhoff. Galbraith has given the affluent society. Theory of economic development by Schumpeter, and dynamics of industrial capitalism by Chandler. Venture capital, private equity and private placements. So they are funds based on the emphasis on. The answer for this is 100th question is C. Venture is the emphasis on management capability. Private equity is the emphasis on corporate governance, and private placement is issue of securities to a selected group of persons not exceeding 49. So that is all about. Thank you very much.